Hi students, welcome to new video. In today's session, we are going to discuss some problems related to concave lens and convex lens. So the first problem, an object 5 cm in length is held 25 cm away from a converging lens of focal length 10 cm. Draw the ray diagram and find the position and nature. So an object of 5 cm in length. So what's the height of the object? H is given. It is 5 cm. Length is held 25 cm away from a converging lens. So U is given 25 cm. What is focal length given? F is given 10 cm. So from the figure we can just draw the figure and find the sign for this one. So here this is the convex lens. This is the optic center. So here the focal length is given 10 cm. So here this is the F2, this is 2F2 and this is F1 and this is 2F1. So here it is focal length is given, this distance is given 10 cm. F is given 10 cm. So F is equal to 10 cm. So 2F is equal to 20 cm. So this distance is 10 cm and this is the distance is given 20 cm. So here the U is placed at 25 cm. That is 2F is 20 cm. So the object is placed beyond 2F. The object is placed beyond 2F. So 2F is 20 cm. So object is placed beyond 2F. This is the U. This is U. It is 25 cm. And H is given 5 cm. So what is the sign for H? H is positive because it is in the upward direction. And what's the sign for U? U, it is in the left side of the optic center. So the sign for U is negative. So it is negative 25 cm. And focal length. Focal length is on the right side of the optic center. So the focal length is positive. So next we have to find the value of V. So we can use the lens formula. 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. So 1 by V is equal to 1 by U plus 1 by F. So what is the value of U? Is minus 1 by 25 plus 1 by, what is the value of F? 10. It is equal to minus 10 plus 25 by 250. So 1 by V is equal to 15 divided by 250. So that is V is equal to 250 divided by 15. Is equal to 50 divided by 3 is equal to 16.6 centimeter. So V is equal to 16.6 centimeter. So the V is 16.6 centimeter. So when we are placing the object between beyond 2F1, the image is formed between F2 and 2F2. So the distance of F2 is 10 centimeter and the distance of 2F2 is 20 centimeter. So the V is formed between 16.6 centimeter. That means the image is formed between F1 F2 and 2F2. So next we have to find the value of H dash. H is given. Next we have to find the value of H dash. So we can use the formula H dash divided by H is equal to V by U. So H dash is equal to V by U into H. What's the value of H dash? 16.6 divided by, what's the value of U? Minus 25 into, what's the value of H? 5. So h dash is equal to h dash is equal to, so what is the value of h dash? H dash is equal to minus 3.3 centimeter. Minus 3.3 centimeter. So the image formed is, V is equal to, here the image is formed between F2 and 2F2 and the h dash is equal to minus 3.3 centimeter. H dash is negative, that means the image formed is real and inverted. And the value of V is positive, that means the image is formed on the other side of the convex lens. The h dash is negative, that means the image formed is real and inverted. So next we have to complete this diagram. So this is the convex lens. To F1, this is F1, F2 to F2. This is the object here. This is the optic center. So the image is formed between F2 and 2F2. So here the object is here, h is equal to 5 centimeter. So this distance u is equal to minus 25 centimeter. The focal length, this is the focal length, f is equal to 10 centimeter and this is v. V is equal to, what's the value of V? 16.6 centimeter. So this is a diagram for this one. We are placing the object beyond 2F1. So the image is formed real and inverted and the image is formed between F2 and 2F2. So here the h is positive because the h is in the upward direction. U is negative because it is in the left side of the optic center. Here the V is positive because it is the image is formed on the right side of the optic center. The image is formed is real and inverted, so it is in downward direction. So the value of h dash is negative and the focal length is on the right side of the optic center. So the sign for the focal length is also positive. So thank you for watching this video. We will meet more problems in the next video. Thank you.